My name is Bruce Gallen. I work for Applix Incorporated here in Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm the industrial and cost engineer, as well as serving as safety coordinator and training director. The conference met our expectation in every way. The chance to interact with various manufacturing companies and other people who can provide services for us to help our continued growth was very influential. We understand that robotics will be a large part of this year's conference, and we are implementing robots on several of our operations, so it's an ideal opportunity for not only myself, but some of our hardcore engineering people to attend and learn things they can use on their jobs.